Ano po ang masasabi ninyo sa pagpapalabas ng DBM ng budget para sa social pension ng ating mga indigent senior citizens?
Well, actually, Ninya, ang social pension ay naroon na noong 2010, but ang amount is only 500. Ngayon, na-doble po starting this year. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ang senior citizens dahil yung mga indigent senior citizens ay may natatanggap na ng mas malaki-laki ng konti. Ngunit ang namamahagi nito ay ang DSWD pa. Of course, the law says that it will be turned over. All the functions of DSWD as regards the senior citizens will be transferred to NCSC. But we are waiting for the time. Until then, we are actually preparing na kami na ang mamamahagi para sa senior citizens.
So yung 500 po naging 1,000 pesos na
Opo.
po. At hindi lahat kasi baka isipin nila lahat ay entitled sa 1,000.
Well, the data of the SWD says that ang nakakatanggap ng social pension ay maabot ng mga 4,080,000 out of about more than 11 million or 12 million senior citizens. Kaya malaki na rin, ngunit siyempre lahat ng senior citizens gusto na magkaroon din out of the need for respect, the need for support, the need for makilala ng society. And so, pinag-usapan na rin ito sa Kongreso ninyan, Marge. Ang pinag-usapan baka naman pwedeng lahat na yung universal pension for all. But again, it will now depend on our legislative meal. We will have to depend on the support coming from the Speaker, the Senate President, and of course, in the forefront sa Senate is Senator Jaime Marcos is behind this.
And I heard she's very active po with this concern po. At sana po lahat
Really?
na talaga mabigyan, di ba po?
Kasi kung 1,000 lang naman times 11 million, ganun
Yes.
ba?
Million.
Malaki na rin.
Magkano pala yun?
Actually, malaki.
malaki.
So, it's going to be a combination where the government support will be more doon sa mga nangangailangan talaga, yung walang-wala.
Yes.
And then, meron ding konti doon sa mga senior citizen, whether you are
Indigent
rich or
not.
poor or,
Yes.
yeah.
At least equitable ang distribution.